That's our truck in front of me. And we're driving to the diesel mechanic. It needs a new thermostat. Mike worked on it, but one of the bolts was down in and he didn't have the right tools and stuff for it. So anyways, we're taking it to the mechanic. Gonna have him do a bit of a check on it. Considering the fact we've had a couple of problems with it since we bought it. So anyway, that's what we're doing. And he's stopping, which makes me a little concerned because it overheats just whenever it chooses. Because what we think's happening is the thermostat is sticking. Anyway, there we go. So here we are at Baird's Diesel Repair in Orderville, Utah. It's the closest diesel repair, but they have really good reviews. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know after we get it back. So in previous videos, we've seen the truck. We just got this truck. It is a Ram 5500. It's got 150,000 miles on it. Anyway, huge truck. Had a few problems, but we just got it back from a quick trip to the mechanic where he replaced the thermostat, which was sticking, so it would overheat. Anyways, so that's fixed and it's working just fine now. And we got it licensed. We just got our new license plate, and we just got the new hitch on there a little bit ago. We just tightened up the bolts on it. So it's kind of a cool hitch because you can put it down low enough to tow stuff because it's a pretty tall truck. I have a hard time getting into it. So.